A Course in Miracles, Workbook, Lesson 21. I am determined to see things differently. The idea for today is obviously a continuation and extension of the preceding one. This time, however, specific mind-searching periods are necessary, in addition to applying the idea to particular situations as they may arise. In the practice periods, begin by repeating the idea and closing your eyes, searching your mind carefully for situations past, present, or anticipated future that arouse anger in you. The anger may take the form of any reaction, ranging from mild irritation to rage. The degree of the emotion you experience does not matter. You will become increasingly aware that a slight twinge of annoyance is nothing but a veil drawn over intense fury. Try therefore not to let the little thoughts of anger escape you. Remember that you do not really recognize what arouses anger in you, and nothing that you believe in this connection means anything. You will probably be tempted to dwell more on some situations or persons than on others, on the fallacious grounds that they are more obvious. This is not so. It is merely an example of the belief that some forms of attack are more justified than others. As you search your mind for all the forms in which attack thoughts present themselves, hold each one in mind while you tell yourself, I am determined to see blank differently. This could be the name of a person or a specific situation that arouses anger. Try to be as specific as possible. You may, for example, focus your anger on a particular attribute of a particular person, believing that the anger is limited to this aspect. Perhaps a person named Patty has a perfectionistic nature that arouses anger. You would say, I am determined to see the perfectionism in Patty differently. Now, repeat. I am determined to see things differently. Search your mind for all the forms in which attack thoughts present themselves. Hold each one in mind while you tell yourself, I am determined to see Patty differently. Or if you need more specifically, I am determined to see the goody two-shoes nature of Patty differently. Or perhaps a situation. I am determined to see the Civil War differently. Whatever arouses anger, apply the idea. Take about 60 seconds or so. Okay. This concludes Lesson 21. Remember to revisit this exercise 4 more times before the end of the day. You see attack as a real threat. That is because you believe that you can really attack. And what would have effects through you must also have effects on you. It is this law that will ultimately save you, but you are misusing it now. You must therefore learn how it can be used for your own best interests, rather than against them.